Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of Pokémon with what can only be described as the best Pokémon Gold cards available in the market. If you're a collector or a Pokémon enthusiast, you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. Introducing the ultra-rare 55 PCS Gold Cards packs by Uruakeji. This deck is a treasure trove for any Pokémon fan, packed with an impressive array of rare gold foil cards that will elevate your collection to new heights. Let's talk about what makes these cards stand out. With 55 pieces in total, including 15 VMAX cards, 14 Volt Series cards, 11 GX Rare, 1 DX card, 2 X Rare, 1 Mystery card, and 11 common cards, you're getting a diverse and exciting collection that's perfect for building a new deck or expanding your existing one. And the best part? No duplicates, ensuring each pack is a unique surprise. Now, let's talk dimensions. Measuring at 3.5 by 2.5 inches and weighing just 0.3 pounds per deck, these cards strike the perfect balance between size and weight. Whether you're playing a game or simply admiring your collection, these cards are designed for effortless gameplay and easy storage. But it's not just about the aesthetics. These rare gold cards offer an engaging and informative gameplay experience. Each card features different combinations of monsters and fighting styles, sparking creativity and logical thinking in players of all ages. It's not just a game, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. And let's not forget about the collectability factor. These VMAX collectible cards are truly one of a kind, featuring a laser-engraved design that gives them a luxurious golden shine. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, these cards are sure to impress. Looking for the perfect gift for a Pokémon-loving friend or family member? Look no further. These glittering gold foil cards come packaged in an exclusive golden deck box, making them a stunning and memorable gift for any occasion. So there you have it, folks. The ultra-rare 55 PCS Gold Cards packs by Uruakeji. With its unmatched quality, diverse collection, and stunning presentation, it's no wonder why this product is making waves in the Pokémon community. Don't miss your chance to own the best Pokémon Gold cards on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy collecting!